Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating a small section of the sticker to loosen glue. Hold the hairdryer about 6–8 inches away and move constantly to avoid warping. Once the adhesive softens, lift an edge with the razor at a sharp angle and peel slowly. You want tension, not ripping. Make sure to keep the blade nearly flat to avoid scratching. If the sticker resists, reapply heat for 5–10 seconds and try again, maintaining steady pressure and slow peeling so the adhesive comes off in one piece. Once the sticker is mostly off, spray the area with soapy water or a glass cleaner and let it soak for about half a minute so remaining adhesive loosens. You then rub gently with a microfiber cloth or a plastic scraper in circular strokes. This prevents scratches while lifting residue. If glue remains, dab rubbing alcohol or isopropyl solvent on a cloth and blot. Do not pour. After solvent dwell, scrub again and rinse. Make sure to ventilate and avoid prolonged solvent contact with painted frames. To finish, rinse the window with clean water and dry it using a lint-free cloth so no streaks remain. Then polish with vinegar or glass cleaner for clarity. Once done, inspect closely at different angles. If you see tiny glue spots, repeat the heat plus scraping step, or apply a commercial adhesive remover sparingly and follow product directions. If you accidentally scratch the glass, stop and consult a pro. Otherwise, make sure frames are dry and seals intact. And you're done with a clear, sticker-free window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.